guys, welcome to Prof1YT channel. So on this video, you're going to learn how we can convert a video file to audio file in just 1 minute. So be with me, and I kindly encourage you to subscribe for more wonderful videos. So now let's get going. What you need is you go to VLC Media, and when you go to VLC Media Player, you go to Media on top here, Media. And when you go to media, what you do now is you follow this, you go to convert and save. Convert and save. So after going to convert and save, what you do now is you go to add. So when you go to add, this is they'll provide the videos that you've done. So you choose any of the videos you want to convert. So I want to convert this, I choose that video. After choosing that video, what you do now is you go to what? Convert and save. Now, convert and save, are you changing to MP3? Which audio do you want? So my preferred one is MP3 because that's the audio. So you choose MP3. But first, you need to choose the destination of the file, which is you browse to the destination of the file. So I want it here. I save. Then I go to start.